Guys, today is my special day. Today I'm gonna do some cooking today. Today I'm gonna make egg and I'll show you how to make an egg and I'm gonna cook it very nice. Let's go. This is chili. This is chili. This pot and this is onion. Okay. Now let's start cooking. First I crack 2 eggs. Then I crack a second egg and put it in the bin. And a little mix. Then I chopped onions and chili, very small cooking, very small. And then I put this inside, mix together. Okay, and then we start mixing again. You have to keep mixing, maybe 2 minutes. This is salt, and I put it myself I'll carefully put very small salt and put it here. And I keep mixing. It's done. Little bit of red chili, it's very spicy, so I'll put a little bit inside. And I keep mixing. Can you see little reds inside? Little reds. Because I mix red chili inside. It's smooth and nice, creamy, delicious, spicy egg. Now let's cook it, make it hot. This oil is very small amount. I only put 1 tablespoon. It's very good amount and small. Okay. Now let's start cooking. Okay, I get my egg. The flame is very low, so I'm gonna put the egg. Look how big is it? This is very big egg, so I'll make it even more bigger by doing this carefully. And the green ones, bring onion and chili. And this onion flavored egg, very spicy. Flame is very low. It takes 2 minutes to cook an egg, and look, it's almost done. And look, there's a white part here, and everything looks yummy, delicious. You have tomorrow for breakfast. You can make home here, and you have to taste it. Okay. Doing this, so egg can be all. If I keep doing this egg moving, then I'm done. It's still sticky. Tomorrow, when you're having breakfast, and you must make this, and you must try it. It's very nice. You must try it. It's almost done, so I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it. Also, guys, can you see the golden brown egg? I already flipped it. It's very beautiful, and it's very big. You put 2 eggs, and you make 2 eggs, and you put onions and chili, green chili, and you make it delicious. If it's hot, you drink too much water. If you don't like it, how easy, when I put the pan in the plate. I'll show you. First, I turn it off, and then I carefully tip it over. And I take it off, and it look very very delicious and very nice. And there's onions here and chili powder, very nice. So this egg I'm cooking, and I'm gonna taste it. It's very chilly and it's very nice. You must make it at home. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your family, friends, everything all around the world. Okay, bye guys, bye. Comment about my egg.